Dumpster rental service in Wayne, New Jersey. At D&A Contracting, we offer dependable dumpster rental service in Wayne, New Jersey. We know how important it is to keep your project organized, on schedule, and without unnecessary stress. That's why we're committed to providing every customer with reliable, straightforward dumpster rental solutions. Whether you're handling a home cleanout, managing debris from a renovation, or starting a new construction job, our team is ready to support you. We offer fast service, clear communication, and prompt dumpster drop-offs to ensure you get exactly what you need when you need it. You won't have to worry about hidden fees, long wait times, or complicated terms. At D&A Contracting, we believe in honest, professional service and prioritizing your needs. Our dumpsters are clean, durable, and suitable for projects of all sizes, big or small. Wayne residents count on us for efficient, affordable waste solutions that come with a personal touch. We value the trust you place in us and work hard to exceed your expectations every time. Each rental includes local care, attention to detail, and a focus on your satisfaction. Call us at 973-809-3846 to schedule your next dumpster rental. D&A Contracting, the cleanup crew you can count on.